Oh, I'm on. Huh. Okay, well, here I am. So I'm going to have to do that 2 parts if it'll let me. But anyway, I don't know why it's not. I'm learning about this thing. I don't know. I don't know much about it. Oh, I must have hit it. Oh, I did. Okay. So anyway, I must have hit it. Didn't realize it. I have a gift, a Christmas present. It's the O-ring with the lights, and I'm liking that. But again, I'm still learning about how all this stuff works. So bear with me, folks. But anyway, so I want to sell at a more rapid rate on eBay this year. That's my goal. So I'm learning all about more clothing and brand names and things to look for, what sells, what doesn't, things to watch out for, the eBay things to look out for, the do's and the don'ts. I've learned a lot. I've taken notes for the past month. I have notes like this. I've written everything down, everything somebody wants to tell me. I'm all ears. And my goal is to make a little bit this year so that we can feel a little more secure, wouldn't hurt. So anyway, that's especially the cost of fuel here in New England. Who can afford that? And our oil company is telling us we've got got to pay up front, and the minimum is 150 gallons, and that's close to $500. That's the minimum that you have to pay, and you go through that in 2.5, 3 weeks, folks, here in this 9-room farmhouse. And we're pretty, we conserve. We try to be frugal about everything, and we are going through oil like crazy. So, yeah, yeah, we need to do something to think about bringing a little more, you know, extra in. Who doesn't? I guess everybody's thinking that way today, right? But anyway, that's my goal. That's what the gal's been working on. And so I apologize. I haven't been completely doing my videos every few days like I want to, but it's not because I've been slacking. If anything, I'm getting myself ready, I believe, so that I can go full swing with videos, crafting. I'm making my jewelry still. And by the way, I got my jewelry into a vendor spot in a nice store in downtown Greenfield called Inno Vintage Place. It's on Hope Street. And I'm so thrilled. I got a nice little spot and I did it up pretty. And I've already gotten people showing interest. So I'm happy about that. I have one other source to do too, and making jewelry. I've sold pieces on eBay. That's another thing I've got to do, is wrap up a piece. Another necklace or brooch sold yesterday, so I'm happy about that. So things are working. Things are working for me. But this one, I'm so excited, and I love to thrift, as you know, right? So why not let the thrifting, something I enjoy, that's pleasurable, also be a way for me to make an income. So I've taken it that step further, and I'm very excited about it. I'm psyched. I want to do this. So I will report back and let you know on different things. But like I said, I'm learning. I have a few good thrift stores. We don't have big ones like they do out in certain states, like this one girl that I'm following. She's in Pennsylvania, and she takes you right into her stores, and they look huge and amazing. And I'm so jealous of that. We don't really have that here. There is one in Amherst that I'm going to get to soon, that is near the university, and I bet I can find some good stuff there. But that's another one of my goals, soon to do that. But overall, I've done pretty good with different things I've picked up. And like I said, you've got to take the time to go and look, and you can't just rush through it. You've got to spend the time. But I spent a whole day the other day, a whole afternoon, and the day went by so fast, and I literally closed the place, and I had the biggest shopping cart at the register. But I had more fun, and I got some great stuff. So soon you'll look for me on eBay. I'm under Reen's Unique Things. And of course, my Etsy store is Bling Sky Mosaics on Etsy for jewelry. And then, of course, this channel is Crafty Sky Lady, Maureen Sky. So, yeah, and I'm on Instagram, and that is under Bonner Be With Me. I know, you got to write these things all down, but I'll try to, get more information that way going too. But that's what I'm doing, folks. I'm loving it. And, yeah, I've been staying up late learning, cleaning, started listing. I have about close to 20 items on, and my goal is before this month is over to have the 250 things going. And the deal is to just keep listing. I'm going to be what they call a long sale seller. So that's how I'm going to do it. And I don't have a problem with that. And we have the room to store some stuff, so I might as well let the barn and all that. Not so much for clothing, but hard goods, as we're doing already. So I might as well just keep that going. Get bins, buy bins, the big bins that snap top, and get that going. And that's my goal. So I did on Facebook Marketplace the other day. I did pick up one of those curly dress. Like store hanger things for dresses and different things. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, things are working out. Now, on another note, the winter sewing, that's another one of my things, as you know, and it is the season. It just snowed out there. I'm glad I don't have anything out there just yet, because the weather's done this rapid change of, very low temps, and now it's snowed and it's colder and this and that. So I'm waiting till another couple weeks to get stuff out, but I did just get a bunch of nice seeds, and I'm going to show you those in just a bit too. Got some great seeds, by the way. Notes. Make notes to myself on everything. Oh, this isn't it. Should be it. No, this isn't my seed thing. My seeds. Oh, I believe they're still at my chair in the living room. I need to go get them. But anyway, I did buy a bunch of nice seeds, and I want to show you that. Yeah, I am in zone 7B. I always forget 7. I gotta look here in my notes. Oh, 5A? Oh, okay. Shows you what I know. I wasn't paying attention. See, according to the internet, yeah, the estimated last frost here is in Berniston is May 21st through the 31st. The start of the frost-free season. Okay, about the 31st. And The estimated first frost date at the end of our growing season is about zone 5A on September 11th. I'm zone 5A. Okay. I don't know why I keep wanting to say 7. I'm zone 5A. So my growing season is approximately 103 days. And that's not really a long season, so I have to be careful and mindful of all that when I want to think about my garden and what I really want to grow. Now, see, last year at this time, right around now, the 29th, I had winter sowed a bunch of stuff. So I think I'm going to wait a couple more weeks, and it won't hurt a thing. But I am going to run and go get my seeds because I really want to show you. So I'm going to leave you for just a second, but I will be right back. I know they're not out here because I didn't bring them out here. That didn't take long. Okay. What I'm doing is, that's not seeds. Vegetable seeds. And this is just an old photo album, thrifted. And I use it, and I love it, for storing my seeds. Okay. As you can see, and I've showcased this before, I have different things going on. But most recently, and I'm loving this, look at all these wonderful lettuces and leafy greens. Can't wait to try some of these. I could do these soon too. Brand new seeds. I think it was a Grow Greens Saren Seed Company. Yeah. Kale. Chard lettuce. Green Towers romaine, Perat, winter density, lettuce, kale, lacinato, more lettuce. Look at these, wonderful. Oh, I would love to try and make nice salads. Black seeded Simpson lettuce called Sandy, lettuce called Dark Lola Rosa, arugula, and spinach, butterfly spinach. Look at that, guys. I cannot wait to do these. These will be fun. They will be fun. And I've got tons of jugs. I got to do more jugs. But I just got all those seeds, this past week. and I am eager. I've still got to get my soil, and I was on Amazon looking, but the soil that I want is that Happy Frog or the Ocean Harvest. Was $30 a bag. I don't want to spend that, but I do want the good soil. We'll see. I'm waiting to see if I can get it at a better price, but I don't want to wait too long either, because I won't be able to get it. I gotta do that. But anyway, the eBay thing, getting back to that for a moment, I'm eager now. I cleaned out another closet off the dining room, and that was more or less what we would call our eBay closet. It had bubble wrap and had mailers and boxes and stuff in there, but it hadn't been cleaned out for a couple of years, and it really needed my attention. Things were toppled over, and I would keep wrapping paper in there, and it was a mess, so it was time to clean it, and I did that. I have been cleaning, and up and downstairs. I'm getting a workout. But anyway, I cleaned it and I organized it. So that's ready to go. And I even put a few of my hard good things that I picked up in there already. Yeah. So taking notes fast and furious, just so excited to get going. I really am. And I'm going to be 70 this month, people. My birthday is the 27th. 70 years old. And I still got the energy and the drive to want to do things like a 30-year-old. And I'll take that, you know? So with the good Lord willing, I'm letting the universe provide. I hope I'm doing this for the next 20 years, right? That's my plan anyway. If the universe is listening. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you any longer. I wanted to just chime in and do stuff. I've got jewelry to finish. I've got some listing to do on eBay. I have jugs to prep. I got cleaning and organizing still. I am a busy gal, but busy's good, right? I think so. So I'm going to say goodbye tonight. It was great hanging with you. If you haven't subscribed, think about doing so. I would love to have you join me on my new venture, and we can learn from each other, right? Let me know if there's something you want to tell me. I'm open for suggestions. I'm open for ideas. We can all learn and grow together. That's my goal. You know, power in numbers, right, people? That's why I need you to subscribe. Subscribe. I'll check in with you next week. And until then, love y'all. Thank you. And until we connect again, I hope the universe provides. I really do. Thank you now. Bye-bye.